Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix cap dice in Monopoly Go. Are you looking for a quick guide how to fix cap dice in your Monopoly Go? Stay tuned because this video is for you. So we are now in Monopoly Go, and as you can see here, if you see under the Go, we just tap and go. You see the rolls, 5 rolls ready in 59, 52, and there's a countdown, and it's 37 over 40. That is your dice rolls. Those are your rolls available to you now. For people who are wondering like how to fix cap dice, that might be a cap. 40 is your cap, but the thing about caps is that they're not really going to limit you to just 40. You can exceed that, but you still need to consume your dice rolls before the day ends. So as you can see here on the top right, rodeo riders, right? You can get a lot of what do you call that, rewards for hitting what you need to hit. So for example, let's try to hit some. There you go. Until we get dice. So we're gonna use dices. So I forgot I'm at times 3. Let's go times 1. So it's slower. Go another one. So we get a shield there, but not enough dice. Another shield. Another shield. Okay, this is pretty cool. Right? All right. So, all right, it's almost full. But if you click on wins, right, you can. This is another way to claim dices. So, tap. See, there you go. You got 30 collect there, and then you got 250,000, which is pretty cool, right? Now we got 10 free dice rolls, as you can see. So if we go back, as you can see, it's not 29 again, right? There are other ways as well. So timeline. And here there's a lot of, as you can see, free dices. We get 10 again, right? We get some money. And as you can see, we get another free dice here. So there's a lot of ways to get free dice. So as you can see, 39, we can exceed that, right? We can exceed that. Let's build, because leveling up 2 is another way of getting dice. There you go. As you can see here in a rodeo, 49 over 50, we're gonna get 130 dice, right? So let's just play until we get the 130 dice, until we hit 50. All right. What is this? Collect 100, 1200. Okay, so we got another mega heist. Let's try. Okay, not a lot, but it's whatever. Let's go again. Until you hit 50, until you hit the goals of the quests, you're gonna get dice, right? Get another shield. This is taking a bit longer, but it is worth it to see what we have. There you go, 50. And now we get 130 dice rolls. Right, there you go. And as you can see, 153 over 40. So there's no cap, but you do need to make sure that you pretty much consume everything in the day. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.